Yes.
Good. So today, I just wanted to show you guys what some aside you as a data analyst, what are some practical use of SQL. And today we're actually going to be talking about database modeling. Let me see. So database modeling, basically, that is what I wanted to talk about today. Best practices. Um, what exactly are the real life instance or real life situation application of SQL, basically. And so, sorry, please, I'm looking for it is works one. So it is at some point in time, most likely you might be solving a different kind of problem. And it is really, really important that you understand its concept to the core. It's going to help you in a whole lot of things. I wanted to give a situation of a scenario. Say we have let me type. Let me see if I can type. I think I can type, right? Let me see. Okay, I want to type. Sorry about this. I'm trying to see insert. Okay, so yeah. So say we have, let's say we want to design a database for um a school database. Can you guys tell me some of the things you think we might be capturing for a school database?
Okay.
School
Student
record.
ID.
Student record.
Sorry?
Student record.
Students record. Okay, so who wants to go next? Mm-hmm.
Maybe staff record as well.
Staff record. What else?
The courses. The subjects.
Was courses. What else?
Um, I believe results, results and scores for results.
Results stores. Okay. What else? Who is doing what? Enrollment. So what would the student record take? What would the student record take? So this is what you guys say would have. What would the student record take? Oh, sorry about that. I think there's a way I can copy and paste. Cool. So what would the student record take? For student record,
Biodata. Name.
let's see.
Surname.
Okay, so
Name. Surname.
okay, sorry about this. You could put that. Let me start. So we see name, surname. What else? What else?
Oh.
Age, maybe number.
Mm.
Then maybe it's going to take have a place for picture. You have a place for parents. info, right?
Yes.
Um,
And class would be yes, class.
the class. Actually, it's that one is inside the enrollment.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah, even the parent info is not supposed to be here.
That's good.
It's parent info. So we assume that which one should we use as our primary key?
The admission number,
Why?
because it's the unique. It's the only one that can be unique amongst them. You can have children with the same name.
So interesting. So this is for student record, and we said our primary key would be what? Key, right?
Yes.
So our constraint will be primary key to be added. We are good with that. Let's go to the next. We have staff record. The person that says staff, come on, fill your records.
Okay, staff ID.
Good. So staff ID,
Mm,
I assume will be primary key, right?
yes.
Then
The name, surname, age.
so I would rather you say first name, last name,
Yes.
right?
First name, last name. Yes.
We have our age,
Age.
what again?
Designation. Or
Designation.
yeah. What else?
Maybe the class the person is teaching.
Yes. Yes.
Or
Maybe
the
the
subject.
yes, or maybe the and also maybe the dates they joined, that kind of thing.
Okay, date, join.
Mm,
Okay, cool. What else?
okay.
I think that will be it.
Yeah.
Then our course, what is it going to take?
The different
The
courses,
course, the course
maths,
ID, the
physics.
course name.
Uh,
Course ID,
yes. Yeah.
course name.
Course name.
What else?
I think that's like the
Our
only thing.
primary key will be what the course ID, right?
Yes, the course ID.
So let's do enrollment. How do we do our enrollment? We want to enroll a student. How do we do our enrollment?
Enrollment, student, I don't know, is it admission? Student
So
name?
let's have our enrollment ID as our primary key, right? What else? So we have our student ID or admission ID, right? Admission number, student, right? Admission number of student here will be what?
Foreign key.
Foreign.
It's a foreign key. Then what?
Mm,
What are we enrolling them for?
okay, maybe the different
Course,
courses that they're taking up.
course
Course
ID,
everything.
which is also a what? A
The
foreign
foreign
key.
key.
The foreign key.
The class, right?
Yes.
So the class or the this thing that means that we have we register classes, well, right?
Yes.
So let's do class. Our class will have what?
Mm,
Class ID.
Class ID, class ID, which is a primary key. Then we have the class name, right?
Class name. Yes.
Then our enrollment now will now have the class ID,
Class ID.
right? What else?
Yes.
Which is a foreign key. Is that not? What else
Yes.
should be What else should be a foreign key? What else should be a foreign key? So can you then see, this is basically what they call your database modeling. You already have what you want to do on your head. For your results, what will it be? I forgot the result part. Your result table. What will it be? The person that said results.
Student ID.
Student ID.
Do you have that? Is it admission number?
Phone number, yeah.
No.
What else?
And the course
Because
ID.
So we just have, first of all, we have our
Result ID.
work ID. We always need a primary key. It is important that you always have a primary key. That is key. Like very. So you have your admission number. What else? Which is admission number here is what?
the foreign key.
The foreign key.
So the course ID, which is a foreign key. What else? Score. It can be, let's say, first assessment, second assessment. In fact, we can then do, second assessment, then what?
Then the
Exams and then total.
Maybe total. Total, you can calculate it, so you don't really need to store it. You understand?
Yes.
Do you need the class ID for the result also? Since
Yeah, you also need that. Thank you for that. Thank you. So we can do the class.
after the admission number or after?
Hold on, please. I want to think. So there is something we can also do to this, right? We can add the class ID here, or we can create. Okay, and that's the class ID. Which is a foreign key. Is that not? This is what you call your modeling. Basically, your database modeling. You envisioning what you want to actually do before you do it. For the student record, we could as well enter the class here, right? We could have say class ID here as well, if we wanted to. Is that not?
Yes.
Or we decided to do the enrollment here, inside it, the enrollment. So can we then design this particular record down? We've forgotten parent info. Our parent info will now be what? Again, there are many other things we can actually do. But our parent info will have the ID. We can have parent ID. What else?
I believe admission number for students.
Admission number, which is a foreign key. Have what?
The class.
Yeah. No, we don't need the class. This is parent info. We have first name class.
Yeah.
We have a phone number,
Email and address.
email address. We don't need their. Then we need their physical address.
Yes.
We can say home address or something like that. That's just it. So basically, from here, you already know which one is relating to this, to which. So you can say the student record is related to this guy here, right? Let me see if I can. Oh, I can't insert anything here, unfortunately. I can only draw. So I'll just see. I'll see from here. Sorry about that. I'll see from here. This guy, this person here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to see that. This guy is uh, this course. We have course that is here related to result. It's also related to enrollment, right? Class is related to enrollment. And the class is also related to this guy. And this guy is also related to this guy. So you can see this enrollment now is like the almost the Jagaban of everything. So this is also related to results. Does that make sense?
Yes.
In fact, if we so run, guess what we'll do? Guess what we're going to do if we so run? We're going to remove all of these guys here and put what? Enrollment.
Enrollment. Okay.
Is that not right? Mr. Answer, do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Because why is that?
Because it has like a relationship with every other thing that
Every other thing. So then the enrollment ID first is and the enrollment. Because we already have admission number across all the class and all the enrollment. Okay, this staff, we are supposed to have the staff that is taking part in that course. You get it? You can actually design that. So basically, this is what you call your model. Anytime you have to create a database, this is the first thing you do. You take your paper and pencil, you do all of that before you start building your database. Then you can go to your database. And you can see as if more than half of your work you have done it. Is that not right?
yes.
You've done more than half of your work. Now it's not time for you to just implement it with ease. I have a whole lot of stuff here. So it's just for you to start implementing these things with ease now. Let me use this and this. We'll just see everything here. So from anywhere you can decide to start. But in this case, I will just create again. I don't know what this is. So I'm just going to add a new query. Wow. What will I name it as? I can just say Control S to save. I will just go to maybe somewhere here, create a new folder. I will just say school databases. Open it. And this will just be it, and I'll just say school database. And right? So I can then say what's the first thing I do? Guide my guys right now. What is the first thing I will do?
Create the database.
So where will I do it?
You already said
I've created it. I will run it with offline. I will refresh and I can see my school database. Where? Here. I will then to the next thing. What is the next thing?
You source code underscore.
Create tables.
Again, so use underscore db. Do you know why we use small letter for nomenclature? Many things.
Best practice.
Okay, so outside best practice, it's not even going to outside using it. I say school underscore db. Not going to show you.
No.
Alright.
No.
Because school underscore db exists nothing. And so let's say dbss. Now I just want to show you why we waste our time and data. If you want to create this school underscore dbss, do you notice that it's similar here? Do you notice that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't work. Nomenclature doesn't work for capital letter. So what you want to happen, I use DBS and I use constant letter. I use student underscore DBS and I'll run it. It gives me an error because it doesn't exist. So DBS. Oh, sorry. Apologies for that. I'm supposed to say drop database. And you can see that it has dropped it even though my DBS was in capital letter. Sorry about that. So now that we've made our database active and you can understand why we don't remember using capital letter for many nomenclature because you use it or you don't use it, it's still going to change it to small letter. Again, so what I want is what is the first table? What table are we supposed to create here? What is the first table? What table should we create here first? Who is the beginning of this table here? In this activity?
The student record.
So this is the record. So I would say create table. I would say student record. I'm going to enter my parameters here. So what is the first table? I have admission number. We can see it is a variable character and we can put the different things. If we want our first name is what? First name is character, we can put 50. How can we be different between variable and character?
Yes.
So our last name is the same thing. What else?
We have age.
Which is integer. And let's just say picture of this. Let just use picture. I just do it. And admission number is primary, so we can enter the primary there. You can also enforce certain things. You understand? You can do some enforcement that, for instance, I don't want this to be. I don't want this to be carry any empty value. Somebody who does definitely have first name. Somebody who must have first name. I don't want this to carry empty value, so you can enforce certain things. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So you can enforce certain condition and say no. So I'm giving you the condition that you cannot carry any. You cannot carry any empty value. Maybe the age we can say it is non-value, so you just say no, so it can carry no. person decide to allocate that. For admission number, if I say primary key, right, there's no need for me to say whether it is one or not. No. I can also say it is unique if I want. This primary key has to be unique, but it is unique in itself. I don't really need to enforce that. Primary keys are usually unique values. And I don't need to enforce not one. It would automatically say it is not one if I want to. And so I can either implement my primary key here, or I can do this. I told you this other way to do it, right? I'll just do primary key, and I'll say my primary key is admission number. So you already know the one that is easier for you to do, right? Right? Good. So I can then create this table. What do I need to do to see it? I'll just refresh each line, and I'll see my student report. I click on the columns, I can see that my admission number is the key here. If I right click on this and go to table inspector, I will see that I can see the size of my file, 16 KB. The column is 4 because I have 4 columns there. If I go to the columns, I can then see the type of values I have here. So I can see it's learning. Can you guys see this? This learning, you can see these are the other things. I don't see this one. But you see, by default, the primary key is not available. You understand? It will not take to that value. It will take. Already, I already said my first and last name should be not known, and the age should be values. I'm then going to see my indexes, and I can see my primary key is very key here. We want to check this is the subscribe student record. We describe the non-value here. 3 and the last and the this is primary key here, keys and things like that. So what's the next thing? What are we going to build next? What are we going to build next? We can build parents in full, or we don't have to build them in any other. Again, we can build parents in full. So I will say create table. I will say parents in full. I will do this. Our parent info will have parent ID. Our parent ID, we can just put is integer, is auto increment, meaning that it's going to be implemented by 1. Is also primary key. Right? We have in fact, let's just put them as last name. I'll just copy this because I'm lazy like that. I'm a very lazy person, so I'll just do this. The admission number, I'll put it last because I want it here. What are we going to implement as the primary foreign key? So we just say foreign key.
Admission number.
So it will be admission number. So we say ref reference, what are we referencing it to? We're referencing it to student record. What? Then the admission number in the student record. Or better still, you use this not admission number per se, but you just say student ID. Right? This makes no sense. It's going to be student ID because we are lazy like that. So this is student ID. Right? When we are done, we would say at the end we will then say auto increment. We want it to start from 1001 and we are done. We just highlight everything and run it. You can see that it has created our table. If we refresh, you can see our parent info table here. Then we just right click and go to table inspector. Just see what we have created. We have 4 columns. If you go to the columns, you can see first name, last name, parent ID, student ID. He's saying that this is nullable. It's not supposed to be nullable, but you can correct that. You can see extra here. It said auto increment. This parent ID is auto increment. Privileges. What are the things we can do here? We can do select, insert, update, but it didn't say delete. So I think we're supposed to add a delete here. Give me a moment. So
Can a foreign key be null? Like without setting it?
Right, it can be null, but we don't want it to be but it's null. Indexes, we have our primary key, we have our student ID, that is the foreign key. If you go to foreign key, we don't have anything there. The grants, the details, this is how we actually created it. So you can see how we created it. Everything that we did here. Basically, that will be it. Then we are done, right? Okay, so we can create the course, right? Another way to create the course is I can just right click on my table and click on create table. This is like the UI part of the SQL Workbench. So we have our course ID. These are new table. We just say course. Course. The default char set is UTF-8 MB4. Again, don't worry about this. I think we are using this EloDB engine. I think it's UTF-8. I don't know if it is this, but let's just use the default. So our column name, we have what's our column name? We have course ID, right? So our course ID is integer. Should we put it integer? We don't want it integer. What do we want it? We want it variable character.
Variable character.
Let's see. Then is it primary key? Yes, it is primary key. Not null. Of course, it is not null. We want to make it unique. This is unique. Auto increment, no, we don't want. This is generated column. No, we don't want that. Unsigned data type, nope, we don't want that. Binary column, nope, we don't want that. Then we'll go to the next. What is the next? Course underscore node. We want it to be variable character, we don't want it to be not more. I think we are done. We want it to be yep, not null. Yep, yeah. So when we are done, we just click on apply. You can see it has already generated how we actually want to do this. finish, and we are done. Then you can see our course. If you click on it, you can see our course ID, everything we have created there. If you want to do the route of doing it using UI, the UI is easier, but I don't enjoy it per se. I kind of enjoy typing all of these things myself. So for the staff record, we can just copy and create, but so we say staff record. But you can see how the modeling that we did here has helped us create our database, right?
Yes, it has.
So we have our staff ID. Maybe I'm going to say from, I might make it auto increment, but I'll say from 2,100. I don't know. Again, I'm just, let's just say 2001, so on. First name, last name, we have age, we have designation, date join. So our date join will be, what do we want to make our date join to be? We want to enforce date join. What do we want to make it to be? Designation. Our designation will just say it is character. Let's just say value character. We don't know. Okay, maybe chichi. Maybe we have like some weird teacher, one teacher, two kind of thing. Let's just say 30. Then our date join, what do we want to make it to be? We want to make this automatic. We want as the person is just doing entry, it is automatic. So we can say default. So we can say date, maybe date time. We can say default. So we say timestamp. I think it's current timestamp. If I'm not mistaken. So sorry. Yeah, so we say current timestamp. So basically, whatever was the time that we did the entry, just put it as our date join. But if you want, you can update it if you want. You get. If you want. Again, so we'll just highlight everything here. If everything looks good, we'll run it. It has run. If we refresh, we are going to see our tables of staff record. Then what else? We'll do class. We'll do create table. We'll do class. Then we'll then see class ID, which is class ID. I'll just put integer. It's auto increment. I don't need to start. So auto increment. We also primary key. So auto increment automatically starts from 1. So I'm just saying class name. Then I'll see class name is varchar, right? Let's say we just pick 10. I think we are done. We'll run it. It is working fine. No errors. And let's say our class. Then let's go to enrollment and results, right? It's a table. Enrollment. We enter our parameter. So say enrollment ID.
Just me, I can hear you, but your screen is frozen from my end.
Mr. Lansford, is my screen frozen on your end?
No, I can see you.
Okay, so I would say this is the primary key But we need to enter the enrollment ID. In fact, I'm too lazy. I'll put integer. I'm very lazy. I'll just say it auto implement. So please hold on. Give me a moment. Right here. So I'll say auto implement primary key. What else? So we say student ID. Student ID we say it is okay, so we say it is integer. We're not going to specify because let me see. Yeah. So student ID, what did you create it? Okay, we say voucher. Why did I create it as voucher? And I just left it as number. Anyways, you know what? I'm going to put integer because I want to put integer. Then we have our course ID. Our course ID is what? We will create our course ID. Yeah, our course ID is it is also variable character. Why now? I've just left it as integer. I'll just put 10. Then what else? Our class ID is integer. Then what will I then do? I will now start adding my constraint, right? I'll then say foreign key. I'll now start adding student ID. References. We say is what? The student record. Is what? Admission number, right? Is it admission number like this or NO?
Admission number.
Completely.
No, it's completely.
No. Why did I do that now? I'm not really very difficult to type. So I'll take comma. Again, I'll just copy all of these because, as I said, I'm lazy. Paste this. We have about 3 foreign keys, right? So the second foreign key is the course ID. Is referring to our course table. The course ID, right? Then the last one is
The course is not the spelling.
Sorry?
The spelling of the course inside the reference and is.
Oh, thanks. You're not even giving me an error. Then the last one is class ID. Then it's referencing our class. Then class ID. In fact, you know what? I'll just say course instead of course ID. You know that I think I'll just do that. That makes sense.
Okay.
Instead of having cheese ID, then I'm going to remove the comma at the end. Then I think I'm done. I'm going to run it. Okay, so it's saying that school ID admission number is incompatible.
You did not change it. You put it as inside.
Oh, okay. So you know what? I want to just this admission number go hard. um,
Oh, you can alter now. What is
yeah,
your
so I'm
security?
going to just put this thing here just from it. This yeah. I run it works fine. If I refresh, you can see our enrollment. The student ID is not this thing yet. So the last one I want to do is the results. Let me quickly do that. Let me say create. Oh, I wish I had the time to show you guys some pretty interesting stuff today. I really wish I had. So the results, I would say, we see the results ID. I'll put integer. Also auto increment because I'm too lazy. I'll say primary key. I think I can say generated column. I think. Yeah. I say generated column, but I don't think I will do that. So the next one is enrollment. I'm going to say enrollment ID. Oh,
What's enrollment?
okay, I don't think I should use the enrollment, right? There's a reason why I don't think I should use the enrollment.
Why?
Oh, I can use the enrollment ID actually. Oh, I'll say enrollment if I want, or just the ID. But I think I should use the ID in this instance. Again, if you want, you don't have to. I'll say integer. I'll move on. What's the next thing? First CA. We say it's also integer, right? Second CA. Which is also integer.
What's the other? Is it float for here? Because there might be decimal or z decimal. What do
How
you
would
do?
you half mark?
There's always half after. Okay.
Or you say you like what? Let me put float. You can either use float or decimal.
Right. Okay. It's fine.
Decimal or float is fine. Floating points. Yeah, so that is our foreign key. Our foreign key here is so we say foreign key. So it's the enrollment ID. It's going to be a very long list of stuff. It will not be one. The result will just be there. And so what are we referencing? We are referencing our enrollment. Our what? Enrollment ID.
Enrollment ID.
We are done. New, and we are done. So I've solved problem. Now, what is the next problem I want to do? I made a mistake. Where did I make the mistake? The admission number. That was my mistake. So I want to say alter table, student record. I will say modify column, modify what's the admission number. I don't like the way this thing is. So I would say it is integer, it is auto increment. Increment. I will also say it is I can say add constraint, then I'll say primary key, then I'll say addition number. Now I can just say primary key there if I want. like this. So I'm supposed to, after I'm done, if I want to use add function, I'll just put comma here and I'll end it with this. And I will run it. Oh, multiple primary. Oh, so it's already a primary key, so I don't need to do that. There's already a primary key already. Okay, so he's saying that where am I referring now? Oh, it's not compatible with. I've already used it as a variable character before inside the current info, right? Let me just leave it as the voucher. I'll just modify my enrollment ID. Does that make sense? So it will need me changing a lot of things, and I'm too lazy. So I'll say modify student ID to be what? Voucher of 20 because I love problem. I'll put comma add constraint. I'll say what foreign key. What will be my foreign key? Student underscore ID. I'll say references. You see how I'm spelling my reference? Yeah, that's because I want you guys to understand that it doesn't have any problem with the admission number. I'm done. I'm going to run this and see it works fine. I'll refresh and I'll go back to my enrollment and I'll now see my student ID there. Now I can then create triggers. What do I want to do with my trigger? I'm too lazy. I wonder if I create student record, they should be parent record automatic. They should be yeah, I think so. And if I create enrollment, they should also be results record for it automatic. Because I'm too lazy and I love my laziness and I'm enjoying my laziness. You get? Do you understand that? Again, this is just a lazy kind of lazy coding. I'll come and update it at some point in time, but I don't want to have to do insert into everything like that. So you get. Now, how do I create a trigger? Remember, I will create a trigger with a create trigger. We see insert. Let's say insert current info. That's what we want to do. We will now say after. We will now say after insert. We will now say from student record. Is that not? Remember when last week we talked about triggers. I gave you guys a formula for creating trigger, right? I said create trigger. I said trigger name. You give me the name of trigger. So you have two things you can do. You can use before or after. I think I said this. Then what can you do? You can say the things you can do with trigger is you can do insert, update, and what delete. Is that not? guys in the class yesterday, on table name, on the table you want it to create a trigger for. So you say for each row, then you begin. So you start, this begin is just shows you want to start this transaction. You write your SQL query, and your SQL query has to be insert, update, or delete. You cannot view. Then you end. Now, every time you do your begin and end in MySQL, you have to add the delimiter. Now you can either use a dollar sign or a double forward slash. You end it with either a dollar sign or double forward slash, depending on where you start there. Then you now say delimiter, then you end it with a semicolon. Does that make sense? I stated it last week. I hope you guys were in this session. Let me quickly create a new link, because this is about to go off very soon. I'll send it to you. Let me see if I can send it to you guys here now. Via the link, so just click on that. Hopefully my network is not. So I'll just enter on WhatsApp. Good. See, this is my start sharing again. Okay, good. I'll click it. This guy should join now. Okay. Let me see problem. The meeting is going to go out very soon, and the message board is not even displayed. Interesting stuff. Sorry, let me try and share my screen. Can you see my screen? I know I paused this video since, and I'm just, oh my god. I'm supposed to use in, sorry, and I forgot to use that. Oh god. Oh, how much I was working. Sometimes, if you are working with so many databases, you can actually forget. I thought I was working with, actually, if I was even working with Microsoft, I was supposed to do apt. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, cool. So the procedure worked. Good. If I refresh, I have my stored procedure. Let me run this again. I'm getting something on YouTube. What did I do wrong? Well, it says somebody should watch. I sorry about that. Let me see the student record. Right. Yeah. This is 20. This is have 4, 1, 4. You know what? Wait, do I have to win this every time? I actually wanted to just create okay, I think the problem is our trigger that wrote. I think I only entered one value, so I'm supposed to say okay, so I'm supposed to say, so what I can do is I want this to be null, so I'll just say null, then null. I think so I'm going to drop. So I was thinking maybe did I enter not null? It's supposed to show me. Okay, I think I was supposed to specify. I don't know. Oh my god! No wonder. So I said this is not null. You know what? Let me modify this. I think this is what the issue is. The problem is here. But I'm going to alter the table. I forgot that I said it should be not null, so I cannot just enter an empty value. So I think that is why I'm getting that issue. The table we have parent info. I would say modify first name. Basically, it will be character 50, then I think I'll just put null. I'm going to modify last name as well because I was supposed to say I think I'm done. I'm going to alter it. It will work. Let me then I don't know. I think I'm supposed to also drop the trigger. Yep, I will drop this trigger now. Oh, I have not created. I will drop this. Stop. Let me also drop trigger. Drop trigger. Insert event. Wait, what? Let me redo it back. It worked. Let me redo this back. And it worked. And then call. Ooh, something is wrong. I don't know what it is. I will try and find out what the issue is. But oh, am I not supposed to? Yeah, I'm sorry. Call back. I don't exactly know what it is. And I think I'll try and find out what it is. And I hope I've not even done any. Do I have any? Let me select. Okay, I'll find out what the issue, and hopefully tomorrow we'll discuss. Any questions? Unfortunately, I didn't record some very good portion of this. I don't know. I mistakenly just paused. Any questions?
None from me. None from me.
We can actually see how we created our business model, and we're able to easily create a database for it. And so the remaining thing is just to start inserting data automatically. I don't know why the data is not. I really don't know.
It would have actually been very sick, as in very easy to insert data.
Yeah, but let me just try it manually and see just no. I don't know why this.
But okay, is it not that it's supposed to insert data on both the student record and the parents record?
I've already taken care of our parent record by creating it.
Yes.
So it's supposed to actually work, but hold on, let me see. I'll find out what it is. I'm really trying to. I can't wrap my head. I am sensing that it might be this particular trigger. I really cannot wrap it. Um, but again, let me see if I can fix this some issue. This is one of those issues. Trying to. Oh, okay. So let me do this drop again. Sorry about that. You see this so this trigger, I'm not supposed to even use the parent ID. Why? Because it is automatic, so I'm not even supposed to use it. Yeah, so this is also a private. I'm not even supposed to use it. Let me try running the trigger again. It work. Let me call. Ooh, look at it. It has worked. Okay, it is working now. I'm going to enter some other info. So I'm going to enter my name. I'll enter now. I'm going to get an error. What error would I get and why? What error would I get and why?
You are repeating an admission
The
number.
admission number.
Cool. So I'm repeating the admission number because it doesn't have to be simple. So just again, just be watchful about that. But I'm going to run it, and both of them work fine. Now, if I want to view my student record because I'm too lazy, I'll just I can see my student record, right? What do you think is going to happen to my parents' record? Can you see my parents' record and the student ID? So I can then decide to enter the parents' ID using what? What will I do? Mhm. In fact, if I so want, I can create different. I can create a procedure to do this. I can actually create a procedure to actually do this. You get? I can say, let me see if I can create that procedure. I'll copy it. I'm going to create this procedure to update, update parent info, right? What do I want to update for parent info? Um,
The first and last name.
good. So I can say, uh, so first and last name, right? I just need this. Actually, I would say first name, last name, right? Insert into parent info. Values, I'll just say XXYY. Where,
Actually, it's YYZZ.
oh, sorry, YY. Oh, wait, YYZZ. No, this is not out. Oh, so it's supposed to be updated. Sorry, I was just thinking. I don't want to insert, I just want to update parent info. I'll say set first name equal YY, last name equals ZZ, where um where student ID, or I can say parent ID underscore ID, then I will then set this is equal to maybe AA. Now I don't have the AA yet, so I'll just say in AA. The AA is what integer, right? I think I am done then. Why is this not working? Is this set? Something wrong. Oh, so I don't need to do the set again. Sorry about that. So I think I'm done, right? I'll just do this. I would run this procedure. The procedure work. Now, let me view my parents. So I can say, you guys can see the table, right? Now, I can then say all update parent info. Then I'll say, let me just say, Lancelot, what is your father's name? Just give me.
Okay, Godwin now. His name is Godwin. Godwin Owagboy.
Godwin, the same name, right?
And then, yes, same last name. Uwagboe.
I'll now say where what is parent's name? What's your name? I think yours is admission number, student ID, admission number, right?
102.
1000 is what? Which is parent ID 1002, right? I'll just say when parent ID is 1. I'm done. I'll just do this. And you see that work. Now if I go back to this and I run this again, can you see God? You can see how I created with a procedure very easy that will make my life easy. For Luminant, I will just all I just need to do is just copy this, paste this. I'll say again. I'll just say your parent's name. Luminant, what's your
Muhammad Yusuf. Yusuf Muhammad.
it will be Yusuf. Then for me, I will just create mine. Mine is what 403. So mine is 403. I'll just say 1.3. I'll just say view, and I'll run this to everything work fine. I'll just go to parent and just run the view table for parent. Very. The landlord are enjoying automation now in Singapore.
Very sweet.
So, anyways, I will share this with you guys. What about I hope something you enjoying a little bit now. I'm going to share this with you guys now. I think it will be. Let's meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last day. I hope it will be interesting. Any questions?
None from me.
You sure? Mr. Lancelot,
None from me. None from me. Thank you.
any comment?
Maybe from tomorrow.